The Morgan Report with David Morgan. Discover how to build and protect your wealth at themorganreport.com.
David Morgan of themorganreport.com for the week ending November 15th, 2024. Well, it's going to be a very brief weekly perspective. I just got done interviewing Dr. Judy Shelton, who has written a book, Good as Gold, How to Unleash the Power of Sound Money. I am on the Amazon website, and I won't read you everything, but that's gotten very good reviews and talks about, with clarity and moral courage, Shelton charts a course for a brighter future. He's one of the few economists bold enough to challenge the inflationary policies of the Federal Reserve, emphasizing how today's policies enrich elites at the expense of, you guessed it, poor and middle-class Americans. This, Shelton insists, must end, and it can easily. Well, I wouldn't say so easily, but we'll leave that alone. So I did about a 40-minute interview. I did my own questions. She's been interviewed many, many times. I was honored that she would do an interview with me. Gave her a couple of heads up on some, let's say, outside the box questions that I would be asking. And we had a great discussion. At least that's the way I see it. You can make up your own mind. It should be on the website probably within a couple of days or so. I'm getting ready to pack up to go to the New Orleans Gold Show, the 50th anniversary. I'll be speaking there on the new monetary system, and my workshop will be gold and silver in the new monetary system. So if you're there, again, let me know. If you want to reach out and meet up in New Orleans, if you're going to that conference, then just send an email to support@themorganreport.com and put in New Orleans or NOIC, New Orleans Investment Conference, in the subject line, and somebody at the team will get that to me, and we'll make arrangements, if at all possible, to meet up. So I'm not going to read a lot more, just a few of these at the bottom from the publisher, Arthur Laffer. We need a dollar that is a world currency, that's for sure, one that provides a reliable store of value at home, and it's recognized as the world's most respected monetary standard for international trade and investment. Judy Shelton shows us how to achieve both. And Steve Forbes' book, More Than Worth Its Weight in Gold, Shelton lays out a new way forward to achieving sound money, the absolute requisite for a genuinely prosperous free market future, a masterful achievement. And if you scroll down, she's got a lot of 5-star reviews, phenomenally written, well-supported, balanced. I've read it. Great book on the history of the Federal Reserve, the pitfalls of fiat currency and solutions for sound money. It's a good product. Always enjoy reading Judy Shelton's work. Compelling read, on and on. You can read this for yourself. I'm not getting a commission on this, by the way. So I'm probably going to leave it there. On the gold and silver markets, they've done what I had forecast a while back. We're seeing what I consider to be a high-level consolidation. We're probably going to be in a trading range. Since the election, the price of gold and silver both fallen back quite a bit, enough to scare some people, not scary to me, but nonetheless, it has pulled back. And again, I think you're going to probably see this trading range going through the end of the year. We're halfway through November. Usually about this time, within the next weeks, you will see some tax loss selling. The junior mining sector has not done that well, with a few exceptions. One of our juniors that's already doubled got hit really hard. It's a very well-run, profitable mine, but they missed their their bottom line. The grades weren't as high as what they had in the past. Will be actually a better mine in the future, but ore grades ebb and flow, and the stock got punished rather severely. Actually, it's a pretty good entry point if you're interested. So that's it. I'm not going to go any further this week. I will be on the road for a while. I'll probably just be doing some audios. I don't know if I'll do videos or not. I will do an update one way or the other. So this is David Morgan of themorganreport.com signing off. I'll be back with you next week with another weekly perspective.